Chris Percy gets grounded for pulling the fire alarm and destroying one of the air conditionings in the class. Are we ready to wake up kids? Oh yeah, we forget! It's 7 now. Let's wake them up. Alright, I'm gonna wake her. I'm gonna wake Chris and Penelope up. Hey Chris, wake up! Okay. What is today? It's school, your first day of school. Ah, heck no! I'm not going to school. Guys, this is on Melon Sandbox. My first time doing it because in GoAnimate Beyond is so hard to find on iPads. And I cannot do it on computer because it's really hard for me to do it on a computer. Let's get ready to eat. And I'm gonna wake Penelope up. Alright, let's make Penelope. Because I don't see her anywhere. Because I did not make the freaking rooms, bro. Next time I'm gonna make a freaking room and 5 floors. So Penelope wears dress and really cool shoes. Oh my gosh, he's like Penelope now. Oh wait, that's wig. That's not anything like it. Alright, I'm gonna wake Penelope up, okay? I think he's ready now for her first day of school. Oh, Penelope. Good morning. Are we ready to eat? Yes, we do. It's first day of school. Okay. Kids, go down. Kids, go down. On it. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, let's get ready. What's going on, dude? Alright, let's put Chris. Make sure I don't hurt him because this is a lot cursed. Let's bring Julie down. Okay. Come on. Chris, your lunch is tea, and Penelope is a cake. Why do I not get a cake? Because you misbehaved so much. I don't give a crap. Well, it's healthy. Alright, fine. After kids ate all of things. Alright. Let's get ready.
Ouch! Somebody help me!
Oh no, his leg. Oh crap. I didn't mean to do that, bro. Well, let me fix that problem with rigging. Oh, come on, what's going on? Alright, Julie's out. Now we get Julie into the car. Oh, come on. What's going on? Wait, I disabled the collisions. Let me enable it. And not broking anybody's. Alright, let me fix the broken leg. Come on, or are we gonna be late, dude? We don't wanna be late. Ah! Now I have to freaking clean all of this! Oh gosh! Nothing literally works on me! Whatever, we will bring them to school. Come on, I don't want to be so long in house. We're just doing a school video, dude. Not like playing with Dingus somehow. So I guess to be so long, let's get going. Hey Penelope, why are you standing in the back of the car? Because I don't see any sidewalks. Okay, fine, let's do it anyways. And the skibby starts in the scene. Skibby dub dub dub, yes, skibby dub, you nip nip. Chris, stop saying skibby toilet. Alright, can we get ready? Yes. No, 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 I ruined his hand! Damn it! I don't want this to happen every single time! Because it's so bloody and not and dangerous to watch if you guys are kids. Oh my gosh, the teacher is gonna say, what's going on with Chris every single time? I don't want to be so long, please! I don't want to do that problem. Ugh! I have to take off all of his old suits and put up a brand new suit. Because it doesn't look cool. Okay, let's be quick, be quick, be quick. Where's the shoes? There it is. There it is. Got it. Wait, where's Julie? I dropped him. Okay, well, Julie's not there yet. Now let's go. Alright, he's gonna. So Chris is driving his electric bike, and Penelope's driving his electric her electric bike, because because both of these kids do have e-bikes, so they learned how to drive it. 1 and 2 Jagger Eco Funds. One and two Eco Fun. So this is Penelope's Eco Fun. There we go. Wait, is Penelope not getting on it? Let's turn on both of these cars. Hey Penelope, you wanna ride back? Oh yeah, I will do because my bike is not starting up. Be careful, not too fast because I was full and I'm not holding yet. Hold on, Penelope. Okay, on it. So I will not be falling again. Ah! Oh my god. I'm so sorry, Chris. Oh my god, Penelope, I'm so sorry what you did. What I did to you. Alright, you're sitting with me, which means you're holding very well. You're almost there, Penelope. We're almost there because it's 1 mile away from us, the school. Here we are! Go Animate School! Melon School, let's get in! Have to bring Chris first. And now, Penelope's turn. Oops, I have to only move his leg. Oh no, I had to disable the collisions. Oh wait, I could disable it. Well, oh no. Hey Chris, where's teacher? Well, he has to come in any minute. Oh, hello guys. You guys are only together? Nobody in there? Yes. Today we're gonna learn math. Math? Oh no, this is gonna be so hard. But I have an idea. I'm gonna broke one of our class's air conditionings. How easily do it, Millen? Hey teacher, can I go to the bathroom? Yes, you can do, but you cannot be so long, please. Let's find which wire would be the Sahur air conditioning. I sneaked into the other class so I could find my way to get in to find which air conditioning would be ours so it cannot be cooled. I'm so cold right now and I cannot do it. Okay, that's our air conditioning fan motor. Which one turns on is ours. Hey teacher, can I turn on the air conditioning? Okay, sure. That's our classroom's one. Okay, let's break this. Let's break it. But I have a tool that I sneaked into a workshop. Oh crap, that was a close call. If I fell off 100 feet if I fell off 100 feet on a drop, I would be cooked. That's my nice juice. What the heck? Why is it not working? Is it unbreakable? I did it! Let's go! Let's get down before I get caught. Good, Chris, you were back, but why you were a little bit longer? I don't know. Hey, why is the air conditioning not cooling? I don't know. Chris, was that you? No. I did not. It's illegal to get in the third floor. I did not go there. Let me check at the roof. Oh crap. Oh crap, one of the fan motors might be destroyed. This can't be Chris Percy. If that's Chris Percy, I'll suspend him. But if he does another thing that's worse, I'm gonna call his parents. Alright, let me get down and see who broke the air conditioning fan motor. Alright guys, one of the fan motors might be broken. And I saw a freaking hammer in here. I think some type of thief get on and destroyed one of the fan motors. But it was cooling after when I turned it on. And then when you were not there, Chris, it stopped cooling. Okay, who broke the air conditioning is a giant freaking loser. Penelope, was it you? No, 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 no. It was Chris. Chris! Chris! Percy! How dare you broken the air conditioning? That's it. If you do second thing bad, you will be sent into the principal's office. And I'm calling your parents about this. Dude, there's no way I have to buy a freaking new air conditioning for that. It's cost a lot of money, dude, the air conditioning that I have to buy. It's like $1,000, dude. It's already broke. Ruined. This is gonna be hard to find a new air conditioning. Alright, our math's finished. Let's learn English. Guys, let me take off my headphones. I think this is a very bad. Alright guys, I'm normal now. Are we ready? Headphones are stupid crap. Well, alright. Oh wait, are we gonna learn English? But that's gonna be that easy, dude. How? Your paper? Wait. Is that English? Oh yes it is, it's easy. Okay. Car to C-A-R. Train to T-R-A-I-N. Washing machine to W-A-S-H-I-N-G-H-I-N-E. Air conditioning AC is coming to AC. Tumble dryer will come to Dung 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 Sahur. What did you say? Nothing. Penelope, your book. Oh, it's actually kind of that easy, dude. That's not sahur or anything like this. Because I'm not doing any sanur or sahur thingies. Okay, what is 4? So, washing machine is coming to W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Machine comes M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Tumble dryer comes with T-U-M-B-I-B-L-E-D-R-Y-E-R. I'm finished. Chris,
your paper? Chris, you are a little bit incorrect, but you're doing well so far. Okay. That's a little good. Penelope, your test. Hey! Why would you drop it on me? Correct. Hey teacher, can I go to the bathroom? Oh yeah, okay, you're gonna be good. It's okay, you're gonna be good. On it. Oh yeah, there's the fire alarm button. Where is it? Oh no. Oh, let me make it. Alright, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm right now. Did the fire alarm turn on? Alright, let's get out. We have a fire drill right now. Okay, on it. Oh my god, the teacher's coming! Oh my god! No! Attention Melon School. You may return to your classes. I might check the security cameras. What in the world just happened? When the fire alarm turned on. It was somebody! Let me call an intercom announcement. Somebody pulled the fire alarm. Please send the culprit immediately. Uh-oh, I think I'm busted. Chris, did you pull the fire alarm? Yes, I did. You're suspended from school. Go home, and I'm gonna call your parents about this. Oh no, I'm busted. Penelope, you stay with me for after 1 hour until you come home. Why is it lagging so hard again? What the hell? Chris, Jason, Percy, come down right now. What did you do at school? I pulled the fire alarm and ruined one of the air conditionings. Why would you do that? I'm so sorry. I don't care. You're grounded. I don't give a crap, you Julie. Stop saying my word. Stop it. Get away, you melon.